Hello, I'm Luna. Welcome to English with Luna. Today, I'm going to tell you a calm and simple story in English, a story about a rainy day at home and the quiet moments that come with it. This story will help you improve your listening, your vocabulary, and help you feel more relaxed with English. So just take a deep breath, listen carefully, and if you can, repeat the sentences after me. Don't worry if you don't understand everything, just follow the story. Let's begin. It is morning. The sky is gray. Soft rain falls outside. Tap, tap, tap. The sound is gentle, calm. Emma wakes up slowly. She stays in bed for a moment, listening to the rain. She closes her eyes again, just for a few seconds. Then she opens them and smiles a little. "I like this," she whispers. She sits up, wraps herself in a blanket. The room feels warm, safe. Outside, the world is quiet. No loud sounds, no rush, just rain. Emma stands up slowly. She walks to the window, looks outside. The streets are wet, shiny, almost empty. A few people walk with umbrellas, moving slowly. She watches them for a moment. Then she turns around. Today, she stays at home. No plans, no pressure. Just a quiet day. She walks to the kitchen. The floor is cold. The air is fresh. She makes a cup of tea, warm, soft, comforting. She holds the cup with both hands and takes a small sip. Outside, the rain continues. Inside, everything feels calm, and the day begins. Emma sits by the window. Her cup of tea is warm in her hands. The rain continues outside, soft, steady, calm. She watches the drops on the glass. They move slowly, down and down. She takes another sip and breathes in, deep, slow. She feels relaxed. After a few minutes, she stands up. She walks to the living room. The sofa looks comfortable, soft, inviting. She sits down, pulls a blanket over her legs, and leans back. For a moment, she does nothing, just sits there, listening to the rain. Then she reaches for a book. It is on the table. A simple book, easy to read. She opens it and starts reading. Slowly, one page, then another. The words are calm. The story is simple, perfect for this day. Outside, the rain gets a little stronger. The sound fills the room, but not in a bad way. It feels peaceful, safe. Emma looks up from the book. She listens again. Tap, tap, tap. She smiles softly. "This is nice," she says. She closes the book for a moment and looks around. The room is quiet. Everything is in place. No stress, no noise. Just her and the rain. After a few seconds, she opens the book again and continues reading. The day moves slowly, and she lets it. Time passes slowly. Emma looks at the clock. It is early afternoon. The light outside is still soft, gray and calm. She closes her book gently and places it on the table. For a moment, she just sits there, thinking, not about anything big, just small thoughts, simple things. She listens to the rain again, still falling, still steady. She takes a deep breath, in and out. Her body feels relaxed. Her mind feels quiet. She stands up slowly and walks around the room. No rush, just moving. She stops near the window again, looks outside. The world feels different on rainy days, slower, softer, more peaceful. She watches a drop of water move down the glass, then another, then another. Small moments, but somehow important. Emma smiles a little. "I needed this," she says softly. She didn't know it before, but now she feels it. This quiet, this pause, this space. She walks to the kitchen again, makes another cup of tea. Warm, comforting. She holds it close and closes her eyes for a moment, just feeling the warmth, just being there. No past, no future, just now. After a few seconds, she opens her eyes and looks around. Everything feels the same, but she feels different, more calm, more present, more okay. And outside, the rain continues. The afternoon slowly turns into evening. The light outside becomes darker. The rain is softer now, still there, but quiet. Emma sits on the sofa again. Her cup is empty, but her hands still feel warm. The room is calm, peaceful. She turns on a small lamp. Soft light fills the space. Golden, gentle, warm. She takes a deep breath and closes her eyes. For a moment, she does nothing. No phone, no noise. Just silence and the sound of the rain. After a few minutes, she opens her eyes and looks around. The same room, the same quiet, but now it feels different, more alive, more present. She stands up slowly, walks to the window one last time. Outside, the streets are still wet. The sky is dark, but peaceful. She smiles softly. Today was simple, she says, but it was good. She steps back, turns off the light, and walks to her room. The house is quiet. The night is calm. She lies down in bed, pulls the blanket over her, closes her eyes. Her body feels light. Her mind feels clear. No stress, no rush, just rest. Outside, the rain continues, soft, steady, calm, and little by little, she falls asleep, and the day comes to a quiet end. Thank you for listening. I hope this story helped you feel calm and a little more connected to English. Maybe you understood everything. Maybe you didn't, and that's okay. You don't need to understand every word. Just listening, again and again, is already progress. You can come back to this story anytime. Listen slowly. Repeat the sentences. And little by little, you will notice something change. You will feel more comfortable, more confident, more natural. Learning English can be simple. It can be calm. It can be part of your day, just like this moment. Keep going. You're doing better than you think. See you in the next story.